Oh Lord, my lips dry. I feel like getting it up. Okay.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you said.
Hey girl, my name is Okeya, also known as Above the Ordinary over on IG. I am a beauty consultant, so I do all things makeup. So I know you see by the time of this video, girl, what is you talking about? But let me explain, let me explain because I'm gonna be discussing with you all, sitting down, doing this face, okay? Look at the face. Oh, look at the face, okay? Period. But in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys some tips that most beauty gurus do not let you know, girl. I know. Some things, I know, y'all, I know. But I'm gonna give you 3 tips on some things that most beauty gurus do not tell you about starting your beginner makeup kits. If you're interested and wanna know like what's up, then make sure you stay tuned into this video so you can get all the secrets, okay? Secrets that you're missing out on that you need. As a beginner, I know because I know how it was. I was a beginner once upon a time in my life, starting out in makeup, and I wish I had these tips, y'all. I wish I knew. So I'm gonna share with you all the tips that no one tell you, okay? So without further ado, let's just hop in the video because I don't want this intro to be too long, and I feel like it's already too long. So yeah, y'all, let's just hop into the video. Let's get into this face, and I see you in the video. I already did my brows off camera, so save some little bit of time. And I'm not gonna be before you long. I just have like I said earlier, I have 3 tips for you, girl. I know you see like, you know, it's kind of hard when you're just starting out in makeup and you see all these fabulous photos of like, you know, the beauty gurus whose faces just looking like snatched, look nice and smooth and all that good stuff. Everything look like just chef kiss, okay? First tip is, one thing that I know is that most people or most like beauty gurus don't tell you is that even before even starting your makeup journey, you know, learning how to do makeup, just starting out, that it's so important to have a good skincare routine. Yes, girl. It's so important to have a good skincare routine even before you even get to the fun part, which is like foundation, concealer, snatching your brows, you know. But I know that most beauty gurus don't tell you is that you have to have a good skincare routine. You have to make sure that your base, which what we starting off right now is just my base. I have nothing on. I have no foundation on, no concealer on. And so, yeah, that's the first thing, is to just make sure that you have a good skincare routine. Make sure that your skin is taken care of so that when you do put on your makeup, everything is nice and smooth. Like we always see like good pictures of other like beauty gurus who like makeup look so nice, it looks so smooth. Why? Because they take care of their skin up under all that makeup. So you putting on makeup, and if your skin is not, you know, intact, if it's not healthy, it's not at least healthy, I won't say perfect skin, but healthy skin, then you'll notice that your makeup won't lay. So that's the first tip. That's the first thing that most beauty gurus are not telling these girls out here who are just starting out, who want to learn. They're not actually telling you like, hey, okay, look, make sure your skin is healthy. Hey girl, so I just primed my eyelids. I just used these 2 products. I used this concealer from Sephora collection called the Best Skin Ever Full Coverage Multi-Use Concealer. I used that to prime my eyelids just to get rid of some of the excess oils on my eyes. And then I set that concealer with this Laura Mercier powder in the shade Translucent Honey. Absolutely love this stuff, girl. Okay. But so yeah, just from my eyelids, and I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to do my eyes on camera or off camera. I don't know, girl. What do you think I should do? Do you want to see it? You know what? Actually, I will do a separate video of me doing my eyes. Go off camera really quick, do my eyes, and I will hop back on to talk with you guys. So give me 1 second, girl. 1 second. So, alrighty. So, eyes are done, and I hope I don't look too crazy, but trust me, everything's gonna come together at the end. So, bear with me. And now I picked up a new foundation. I'm so excited to try it out to see what it's working with, and I'm in the shade 24N, so 24N neutral. So second thing is, it's okay to start off small. Like, it's okay to not have the most expensive stuff, especially if you're just starting off, and you know, not familiar with like different products. It's okay to start off small, girl. It's okay to start off small with a, you know, not as fabulous makeup kit, you know, because you're just starting off. So it's okay, girl. But now I'm just about to, ooh, this is so cute. I absolutely love the packaging. OMG, this is so stinking cute, and I'm so excited to try this out. Like, I'm so excited because I need a new foundation, because my other foundations, I kind of got them in the summer, so they're kind of too dark for me. So I knew that it was time to get another foundation. Everybody been talking about this foundation, so I'm just gonna try it out. This new foundation, I don't know, I'm not sure about it. Not even sure if it's my shade. OMG, do I look, it says it's supposed to be a neutral, but I look kinda, I look kinda red to me. I don't know, what's this? I don't know, I look kinda red. I don't know. I mean, it's a good foundation. It feels nice. The coverage on it is very good, but just like, I don't know, it's my shade though. That's the thing. I don't know, it's my shade, girl. Finish the rest of my face, and then I'm gonna come back on to finish out the video again. I promise, girl. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish off this face, and then I'm gonna come back with the last and final tip that you need to know. So.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send up pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Alrighty, guys. So the face is pretty much done. So as promised, I told you guys that I was gonna come back on and give you guys the last and final secret, the last and final tip that most beauty gurus do not tell beginners who are just starting out in makeup. Third tip is, don't be intimidated, girl. Don't be intimidated by makeup. Like, I know sometimes when you just starting out in makeup, you kind of get intimidated because you're kind of thinking, well, you know, does my makeup have to look like theirs? Like, what if my makeup don't? You know, I'm a beginner, so because I know I started out as a beginner, you know, so I know how it feels. I know how it is to be intimidated by, you know, eyeshadow, or to be intimidated by shimmer. Don't, girl, okay? Just try it, you know, try. You may like it, you may not. So don't be intimidated, girl. If you are interested in learning how to apply shimmer or eyeshadow, go for it, okay? It's fun. Makeup can be fun, you know. So yeah. that's the third tip, girl. So right now I'm just applying my lip liner and then I'm done. That includes this video for today. So yeah, girl, let me just apply my lip liner and then I'll be back. Alrighty, girls, so that includes today's video. I'm so happy that you decided to come and just hang out with me as I start off this 2023 YouTube journey strong. So this is the first video on my channel. Yeah, so happy that I did it. And look at the makeup. Can you just take a moment? Can you take a moment to just look at the makeup? It is gorgeous. Okay, I wasn't sure about the foundation. Was not sure about it, but it turned out to be pretty good. It's so pretty. And yeah, so please make sure, don't forget, girl, okay, before you click off, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, that you comment, leave a comment down below. One thing you took away from this video, what tip that resonated with you, drop it down in the comments. Let's share this video, tell a friend, tell your mama, tell your sister, okay, about this channel, because I have some great things planned for y'all. So I'm excited. Yeah, I love you guys and I hope that you have a great day.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.